My name's Damian Burke. I'm a return to practice nurse and I return to practice through the NMC Test of Competence. I'm currently a staff nurse at Rotherham Hospital. Well, I was employed as a Band 3 healthcare support worker and Rotherham were doing roles like that, so they were acknowledging that there are nurses that are not on the register out there and they need to get back on, and the way you can do that, and it's very recent change that the NMC will let sort of UK registered nurses do the Test of Competence route. I was working up in ITU because that's all I'd ever done before. And part of that, I was released sort of a day a week, roughly, across working shifts and doing normal rotation to do the training sessions. We practiced our skills, we practiced our written, sort of care planning, all the things that you'll be assessed on by the NMC. It was very, very good. It was well organised in terms of releasing us and getting us trained. We all felt quite confident going into that assessment, and it was very quick. I started in the August of the year, and by the end of November I was back on the NMC register. If you're thinking about it and you're exploring it, follow that up and really investigate it, but just be aware that there is this alternative. You don't have to go back to university and be assessed with assignments and exams or anything like that. You can actually do a very practical assessment of your skills, and it is quite straightforward. There's nothing there to catch you out. You know, it is injections, you know, it's aseptic technique for dressings, removing catheters, all the things that nurses do day in, day out, very standard. As long as you're doing it in a safe way, you're generally going to be all right with that assessment. But it's quick, it's very practical. Best career decision I've made in a long time, it really is. I'm excited. I'm working in endoscopy at Rotherham. I couldn't ask for a better place to be sort of my first qualified role. And yeah, they've been very, very supportive. They've got back up to speed very, very quickly. It's almost like I've never been away.